Welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to check backlinks in Google Search Console. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to your site, and they play an important role in improving your website's SEO and search rankings. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your website. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down the left-hand menu and click on Links. This section contains all the link-related data Google has collected for your website. At the top of the report, you'll find External Links. Here you can see which websites are linking to your content, your most linked pages, and the anchor text used in those links. Click More to view the complete report and explore the backlink details in greater depth. You can also check the top linking sites report to see which domains send the most backlinks to your website. If you notice links from trusted and relevant websites, that's generally a positive sign for your SEO. Next, review the top linked pages report. This helps you identify which pages on your website attract the most backlinks. Understanding which content performs best can help you create more pages that naturally earn links. Google Search Console also shows your internal links. These are links between pages on your own website. A strong internal linking structure helps Google understand your site and can improve the visibility of important pages. If you need to analyze backlink quality, spam scores, or lost backlinks, you'll need third-party SEO tools because Google Search Console provides only basic backlink information. However, it's still one of the most reliable sources for seeing the backlinks Google recognizes. To keep your SEO healthy, check your backlinks regularly, create valuable content that earns natural links, and avoid buying or creating spammy backlinks that violate Google's guidelines. And that's how you check backlinks in Google.